Hold on tight, we're lifting you now. Get that gear secured, we're moving out. Wait, we have an engine warning, we're going down. I got you, you're safe now.
Thank God!
Mayday, mayday, we took a hit, we're going down.
Winch engaged, coming up.
Clear the bay, we have movement.
Mayday, mayday, we have an engine failure.
Warning, rotor malfunction. Brace for impact.
We're hit! Losing power! Hold on! What's happening? We're going down!
He's secure, lift him up! Watch out for that branch! We're losing power!
Extraction confirmed. We're taking heavy fire.
Tail rotor's hit, we're going down! Mayday!